Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, right now we are discussing about polynomials chapter. In previous session we have solved few problems in exercise 2.5. Now we are going to solve few more problems in exercise 2.5. Now let's see problem number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. So first problem is 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square. So children, we have to use some identities to factorize the expressions. Factorizing means children writing the expression with the help of its factors. So 16x square plus 24xy plus 9y square you can write, children. Okay, so this can be written as 4x whole square. Okay, 16x square can be written as 4x whole square plus, children, this 3y square can be written, 9y square can be written as 3y whole square, because 3y into 3y 9y square. Now 2ab, children, 2 into 4x into 3y you can write down. 2 see 4x square plus 3y whole square. Now 2ab, 2 into 4x into 3y. Yeah. Now children, if you see this, it's in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which can be written as a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. So 4x plus 3y whole square you can write. 4x plus 3y whole square. So children, 4x plus 3y whole square can be written as 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. So we express the given expression as product of two factors. So square means what? 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. If not, you can write like that also. So therefore 4x plus 3y into 4x plus 3y. So we wrote the given expression as product of two factors. That is factorization. Now children, let's see the next problem. So what is the question, children? 4y square minus 4y plus 1. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So children, 4y square. So 4y square can be written as 2y whole square. Okay, this can be written as 2y whole square and 1 can be written as 1 square. Now minus 2 into 2y into 1. Minus 2 into 2y into 1. So children, 2y whole square is 4y square. 1 square is 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4 into y 4y minus 6 as it is. Now in which form it is there, children? A square minus 2ab plus b square, which can be written as a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, it's in the form of that formula. It can be written as a minus b whole square. So children, in the place of a, what is there? 2y. In the place of b, what is there? 1. So finally it can be written as 2y minus 1 whole square, which can be expressed as 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. So this is the way to solve the problem, children. So we factorized the given expression with the help of this formula. Let's see third problem. 4x square minus y square by 25 is there. This 4x square can be written as 2x whole square, children. Okay, 2x whole square minus y by 5 whole square. Because y by 5 whole square is nothing but y square by 25, children. A by b whole power m is what? A power m by b power m, no? So in that way. And 4x square is there. So 2x whole square, if we write a into b whole power m is equal to what? A power m into b power m. So it can be written as 2 square into x square, that's 4x square. So children, now if you see, this is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay, which is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it can be written as 2x plus y by 5, 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. Okay, it can be written as 2x plus y by 5 into 2x minus y by 5. So we factorize it, children. Okay. So now let's see the next problem, children. Fifth one, x square plus 5x plus 6. So children, it's not in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square or a plus b into a minus b. So another formula is there, children. X plus a into x plus b. X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Okay, that can be written as x plus a into x plus b. Suppose if you see this, children, x square, see 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 3 is 6. So we can write it as x square plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 into 3. Okay, if expression is in this form, x square plus a plus b of x plus ab there means that can be written as x plus a into x plus b. Okay, that can be written as x plus a into x plus b. Children, we have this identity. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So that is the identity. So see here, this can be written as like x plus a into x plus b. A 2 is a, 3 is b. So x plus 2 into x plus 3. We can write like this, children. X plus 2 into x plus 3. This is only like factors. These are the factors. Now if you see the last problem, 3p square minus 24p plus 36 is there, children. Okay, so children, so I'll give you a hint to solve this problem. Take 3 common. Okay, if you take 3 common, what you will get, children? If you take 3 common, 3 of p square minus 3 8s are 24. Okay, 3 8s are 24. Yeah, so 8p plus 3 12s. So children, if you see this p square minus 8p plus 12 can be written as, see, this 8 can be written as, children, minus of 6 plus 2 into p. Minus of 6 plus 2 into p. This can be written as 6 into 2. Okay, so children, suppose if you see x minus a into x minus b is there, children. X minus a into x minus b. So like this. X minus a into x minus b written as how? X square minus of a plus b into x. Minus of a plus b into x plus a. Okay. So x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab can be written as x minus a into x minus b. So 3 is one factor. So remaining things we will factor in that way. So children, so one more step I will tell you. So we can write as 3 of p square minus of 6 plus 2 into p plus 6 into 2. So children, it's very simple. A is 6, b is 2. A is 6 and b is 2. So now substitute the formula. Here in the place of x, p is there. So 3 of p minus into p minus b. P minus a into p minus b. So that a, b is you find here and substitute in the formula, children. So you can try this problem. And even if you see this fourth problem, 18a square minus 50 is there, children. So here you cannot write this 18 or 50 in square form, complete square form. So what we need to do means, children, just you take 2 common from these 2 terms. Take 2 common, what you will get? 2 bracket of 9a square minus 25 you will get. 2 bracket of 9a square minus 25 you will get. So 9a square can be written as 3a whole square minus 25 can be written as 5 square. Already 9 is there outside. Sorry, 2 is there now outside. So 2 is one factor. 2 bracket of 3a whole square minus 5 square. So this is in the, so inside of the bracket that will be in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, so children, here you can take like 2 common, then it becomes 9a square minus 25. You think about this expression, children, you can solve. Okay. So this is the hint to solve problem number 4, children. So problem number 4 and problem number 6 you can try. Okay. So problem number 4, expand each of the following using suitable identities. Okay. So children, first one is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. A plus b plus c whole square is equal, children, direct formula is there. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. And children, even first problem, third problem, fourth problem. So these three expressions are in the same form. A plus b plus c whole square. Okay, or x plus y plus z whole square. Suppose, children, in the given question, if the terms of a and b there means you take formula with terms x, y, z. If in the given question x, y terms or x, y, z terms there means you take formula with a and b terms, because that if not you may get confused. That's it. Okay. So that's it, children. So first problem you can try so that we can solve other questions which are in the same form. And if you see the second problem, 2a minus 3b whole cube. So first let's see second problem, children. First you can try. Okay. See this second problem. 2a minus 3b whole cube Okay, and children, it's in the form of x minus y whole cube. So what is the expansion? X cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Okay, so children, so this is the formula we have to use. X is equal to a and y is equal to 3. Just substitute, children. 2a whole cube minus 3 into 2a whole square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b whole square minus y cube means minus 3b whole cube. Now 2a whole cube, children, 2 cube is 8 and whole a cube is a cube only. So 2 cube into a cube, that is 8a cube minus 3 into 2a square. 2 2s are 4 into a square, 4a square into 3b plus 3 into 2a. 3b square is there, children. 3b whole square is there, that is 3 square into b square, 9b square minus 3 cube is 27 and b cube minus 27b cube, children. So that is equal 8a cube minus 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So minus 36a square b plus 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are 54. Okay, 54 ab square, children. That is 54 ab square minus 27 b cube. And this is the expansion of 2a minus 3b whole cube, children. So this is the expansion of 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now let's see third problem. First, third and fourth, children, similar. So let's see third, and this first and fourth you can try. So that is second one. Third one is minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. It has three terms, and we have to use the formula, children. X plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this is the formula expansion. X plus y plus z whole square is equal x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Okay. So children, if you see this, x is equal to minus 2a, y is equal to 5b, z is equal to minus 3c. Okay, minus 3c. Now see, expansion is minus 2a whole square x square plus y square is 5b whole square plus z square is minus 3c whole square plus 2xy means 2 into minus 2a. Okay, y is what? 5b plus 2bc. Okay, 2xy plus 2yz. Yz means, children, 5b into minus 3c. 5b into minus 3c plus 2zy means 2zx, sorry. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy means minus 2a into 5b plus 2yz means 2 into 5b into minus 3c plus 2zx means 2 into minus 3c, 2 into minus 3c into minus 2a. Okay, into minus 2a. Now children, see, minus 2a whole square. Negative to the power of even number is always positive, children. So minus 2a whole square. 2 square is 4 and a square is there. So that's 4a square plus 5b whole square value. 5 square is 25 and b square, 25b square plus minus 3 whole square is 9 and c square is there, 9c square. So plus into minus into plus is minus. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So minus 20ab. Okay, minus 20ab plus into plus into minus minus, children. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 minus 30 bc plus plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Overall it is plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So it is plus 12 ca, children. It's plus 12 ca. And this is the expansion of the given thing, children. Given expression. That's it. Okay. Even same formula you can use for first and fourth, children. So this I circled these two problems. You have to try this way only. Here you will take like x is equal to a by 4, y is equal to minus b by 2, z is equal to 1. So here these terms are in x, y, z. These terms are in a and b letters. No, you take x, y, z. Okay, in formula you take x, y, z terms. And if you see the first formula, x, y, z terms are there, you take formula in ABCs. Means you can write here a plus b plus c whole square. A is equal to x, b is equal to 2y, c is equal to 4z and whole square. Substitute in the formula. That's it, children. That's it. Okay, let's see problem number 5. P plus 1 whole cube. Children, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube, children. Okay, a plus b whole cube is equal to what? What is the expansion? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the expansion of a plus b whole cube, where a is equal to p and b is equal to 1. Okay, so these are the things we have to substitute in the expansion of the formula. So p cube, that is equal to p cube plus 3 into p square into b is what? 1 plus 3ab square, which is 3 into p into 1 square plus b cube means 1 cube. So that is equal to p cube plus 3 into p square into 1 is 3p square plus 3 into p into 1 square, that's 1 only. 3 into p into 1 is 3p only, plus 1 cube is what, 1. So this is the expansion of the given expression. P plus 1 whole cube can be written as p cube plus 3p square plus 3p plus 1, children. So just we use the formula a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. If it is a minus b whole cube, what, children? Where is the difference? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Means, children, here negative to the power of odd number is negative, negative to the power of even number is positive. So when you are taking here minus, here b will be alone, no? Minus b. Then it becomes minus. And here minus b whole cube means a positive. Minus b whole cube means negative. So that is the difference, children. That's it. Okay. Now let's see the last problem. Sixth problem, children. What is the sixth problem? X minus 2 by 3 y whole square. It's in the form of a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, this formula we will use, where a is equal to x. So x square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 2 by 3y plus b square, means 2 by 3y whole square. 2 by 3y whole square. So that is equal to x square minus 2 to the 4 into xy minus 4xy by 3 plus 2 by 3y whole square, children. A into b whole power means a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So 2 by 3y whole square is 2 by 3 whole square, that is 4 by 9 into y square. So 4 by 9 y square. Okay. So, children, this is the expansion of x minus 2 by 3 y whole square. Okay. So this is the way to solve. Let's see problem number 5. And here they gave expressions and asking us to factorize. So, children, here we need to use like either x plus y plus z whole square or or a plus b plus c whole square formula to factorize this expression. Okay. Now, children, let's see the first problem. So both are similar, children. So we will discuss first and second you can try. So let's see problem, children. 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. So, children, here see 16yz, this is a positive, children. 16yz is a positive. So, children, it may be in the form of a minus b minus c. It may be minus y into minus z, or else here minus 40xy is there, minus 20xz is there. Either x is negative or both y and z are negative. Either x is negative, in formula you can take like either x is negative or both y and z are negative, children. So then it will balance. Okay. So I am taking y and z are negative terms. So let's see. Yeah. So we can use this formula, children, like a square plus minus b square. Okay, a square plus minus b square plus minus c square. Okay, plus minus c square. So plus 2 into a into minus b plus 2 into minus b into minus c. Okay, plus 2 into minus c into positive a. So if expression is like this, children, a square plus minus b square plus minus c square plus 2 into a into minus b plus 2 into minus b into minus c plus 2 into minus c into positive a. Okay, so we have to convert this given expression in this way, children. So that can be written as, so this can be written as either a plus of minus b plus of minus c whole square or a minus b minus c whole square, because plus into minus minus plus into minus minus. So children, so this is the logic, this is the logic we need to use. Okay, so given expression is in the form of, so children, you can write it as like 5x whole square, so 25x square minus 4y whole square, children, that is positive 16y square only. So negative 2z whole square. Okay, so next plus 2 into 5x into minus 4y. 2 into 5x into minus 4y. Means children, 2 5s are 10, 10 into minus 4 minus 40, x into y is x. So 2 into minus b minus. So 2 into negative 4y. Okay, 2 into negative 4y into negative 2z. Okay, plus 2 into negative 2z, 2c, no, 2 into minus c positive a into 5x. See, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 into 5 minus 20, x into z, xz. Now children, it can be written as, so we can use this formula, children, a minus b minus c whole square. It can be written as a minus b minus c whole square. So 5x in the place of b, what is there? Minus 4y is there. So like we can write 5x minus 4y minus 2z whole square. If you take like a plus b plus c whole square, so in the place of b minus b is there, in the place of c minus c is there. So 5x minus 4y minus 2z whole square. So children, in this way we can factorize the given problem. Even next question you can solve in this way, children. So here which things are negative? Either a and b should be negative, or what is the common term here in 16bc and 24ca? C is common in these two. So either C is negative or both A and B both are negative, children. So in that way we have to think and we have to get the formula, and by using the formula we can factorize the given expression. Okay, children. So students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. And children, you can find the previous videos of this chapter in playlist and as well as in the description. So children, please subscribe my channel and share my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.